Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a great weekend, even though it's a Tuesday right now. And hope you're having a great start of the week. Wanted to do a quick video on XRP right now and Ripple as well. We'll talk about some news. We'll talk about the technicals and the price mainly. But in general, look, for me, they're quite intertwined. All right. If you want to know about the price, you don't necessarily need to know the news. If you're a good trader, then you believe that we're trading an efficient market, so that all the news is already priced in. But we will still talk about some news. I do have my opinions on that. We did have some news as well, so just wanted to give you my thoughts. I don't think it's major news. I don't think it's news that really is going to cause a lot of moves. It could potentially in the future, but yeah. For now, one of the reasons as well why I wanted to cover it is that Ripple also hit a major resistance level right here between 56 and 58 cents. As you can see historically, it's a strong level. We also have the 200 EMA there. So what we're seeing right now, obviously, before we talk about the news, is some more bullish momentum in the markets. And then the market is relatively strong. And then you can also see, even though it hasn't been the case over the last day, since Sunday morning, like Sunday very, very early, probably Saturday night for most US investors, the momentum actually increased quite a bit, which is great to see. So that could turn into something more, especially if Bitcoin turns more bullish right now. That's what we'll talk about. Now, first of all, to talk about the news for Ripple, is they filed the opposition to the SEC's proposed $2 billion in fines, which is absolutely crazy. All right, $2 billion in fines is what the SEC wants to have. I think that institution, just in general, should be limited a little bit more, because $2 billion in fines, they probably have some sort of a way with the current market cap to explain that, but it's crazy. All right, so Ripple Labs post their rebuttal or the opposition to that. Now, we still have to see how this goes, right? So this is neutral news. It could be bearish, could be bullish in the future. But I think in general, news like this actually is more bullish for Ripple than not. Because most of these Ripple in relation to the SEC type news is usually seen in a bullish spotlight due to what happened in July, which is often seen as super bullish. So I do think overall more developments and more news around this is actually bullish for XRP. Now, so far, that hasn't been good enough or bullish enough to actually push up the price to be bullish. Now, do I think we can actually get bullish right here? I do think that there's a good chance. But the thing is that XRP on the short term, I would say, is bullish. However, it's also for 88% correlated to Bitcoin. Correlation is 0.88, all right? So I know that doesn't directly translate to a correlation for 88%, but that means that it's very correlated. So if you look at XRP right now, we are in some sort of an uptrend right here, which you can also see right here. Let me show you. We are in some sort of an uptrend right here. We're making higher lows and we're also making higher highs. But the only way we can break above 57 cents to simplify the main resistance level we need to break above is if we can actually see a breakthrough from Bitcoin above 67,000, for example. So do I think that's most likely? Yes. However, I'm not sure. All right. The volume for Bitcoin right now is very low. Once we see actual volume coming in, then we'll know for sure. Before that, I think it's most likely that XRP will just consolidate between 57 and 52 cents. Then, like I said, because I'm more bullish on Bitcoin than bearish, I think we'll break above 57 and rally up to 61 cents. But ultimately, it's dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to fall back down below 65,000, for example, then XRP will fall back down towards 47 cents as well. So that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great week and bye.